again this function because we can, right? Now, because we know what it is to a point, will we have a data sheet, right? We have proof. We have proof, right? That within this system, within this factive system, from this equals data, right? And we're able to see from this point here, well, we're able to determine, all right, well, we didn't have to collide all these things into a collider, right? And then it just like, we blew up our collider now. Oh, fuck, right? But we can't bomb the sea turtles because of Britain, right? But now we can do it in space, and in which that we can determine and we can rule this back, right? Because obviously, no matter how the equation is, you can approach it from the left first, but in reality, you could approach it from the right. It doesn't matter. If there's a fucking equal sign, you could find where that equals at any point. It obviously either is going to equal fucking its mass or energy, right? And because of that, we've incorporated mass. It could equal either way, right? We can have these equal signs go on forever, theoretically, right? We have to stop getting the complexity of the fucking old school PEMDAF mass and stick onto the fact of the function on that. From this, that we have a realization that from a spreadsheet that we now have 10,000 particles that we can see, right? That was terrible, right? Whatever. One day I'll have a little pen thing. Right, like we can see from this function that we have data because we can see everything here moved at light speed. And now we have a constant because, well, now what happens if we do all of that? Right? Oh, but, you know, we drop bombs though. Oh, you know. Like, oh, well, you know, the aliens said we can't do it because it, like, fucks up the galactic highway. And we, like, you know, quantum entanglement. That's how we found out about it. Because, like, when we dropped bombs, the atom bombs happened in the other side of the universe. Hey, listen, they never said anything about Cobalt-60 if that's the case, right? They never said anything about hydrogen bombs if that's the case, because we continued to do it then. So these two applicators can still be a function, can still be a function, right? Can still be a set of rules that we can use to either plus, times, or multiply that of a system, in which that we can incorporate to the system of a foundation, right? Whether it's in a closed strings or not closed strings, whether it becomes a theory or not, the fact of the matter is that if we didn't know these things here, we would have just known something else for it because we would have figured it out, right? But some people would argue, well, maybe we just figured it out really late, though.